Hey gamers, it's Kristin and I have my lucky bag unboxing for you guys. I realize I am probably the last one to go ahead and get this up for you, but you know, sometimes that's just the way my life goes. I mentioned it a couple of times on a live and you guys still seem like you were interested in seeing this, so even though it's late, we're gonna go ahead and film it. So if you don't know what a lucky bag is, this comes from Beautylish, and Beautylish is an online beauty retailer, and they, on December 26th every year, you have the ability to buy a lucky bag. I follow Trisha, I have forever, from A Glittery Life. She and I are friends, and she works with them a lot on shoots. She's a makeup artist, so follow Trisha from A Glittery Life if you're interested in getting kind of the, like, when you can sign up for it, because you can sign up for early access to it and you just have a better chance of finding, you know, like getting the reminders and that sort of thing. So next year when you're coming into Christmas, I know it's a lot to think about, but try to make sure that you're following Trisha, and she will get you the inside scoop. She doesn't know that I did this and probably won't watch this, but if she does, hey Trisha, I will list her information below. She's got a great channel too. Okay, so they do this every year, and there are two sizes you can get: a $75 box, or you can get a $150 box. You have to go into this knowing that you're not going to get what you're not going to know what you're going to get. It's just part of the joy of the lucky bag. If you're not into that, then I don't think it's for you. But if you are and you like a good surprise, and you know, like I know that I like the products that Beautylish sells. So, and there's, you know, if you buy a lot of makeup, you might get a duplicate, but how are they going to know that? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, all right, let's just go ahead and jump in. I did get the $150 box. So you always get, in the $75 box, you'll get at least $150 value. And in the $150 box, you'll get at least $100 value. And I just want to read what the whole lucky bag thing is for you. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, I think is how you say that, on this year's lucky bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside your 2019. Okay, you know what? I clearly can't read and talk. I mean, okay, let's try this again. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. By the way, this is the first time that I've shot a video with the tape and extensions that have absolutely added some length, in case you're curious. Okay, in case you're like, what's happening over there, Game? Okay, I've pushed myself up a little bit closer here because I felt like I was really far away. So the first product that I'm going to show you is the only one that was a duplicate for me, and I really liked the product. It's actually on my 2018 favorites list, and it's the Terribly Velvet Rouge by Terry, and it's in the shade Bear. Now, here we go, I had to grab it. This is the one from last year that I used because I may give that one to a friend. I want to show you guys. So see how it's dipped in? It just hugs your lips when you apply it. It's a great shade. I got the same shade and everything, which just happens. You know, it's a good, works for everybody sort of shade. The only thing I would tell you for these is that if you don't like scent in your products, you will not like that, because it is a very strongly scented lip product. So just kind of an FYI there. Okay, so that was the first thing. That thing's like $60 or $40. No, 60 or 40. It's like 58 or something like that, close to 60. I didn't actually take the time to look up all of these. I just know that one because I looked it up for something else. Anyway, moving on. The Oribe Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. I love the Oribe Dry Texture Spray. You guys know that. And there's two of the different kinds of shampoo and conditioner I've tried over the years that I really like. So excited to try this. The only hair oil that I have ever used with consistency, because it's the only one I've ever liked. The rest of them that I've tried and tossed, you know, is the Macadamia Nut Oil. I love that one. It's the healing oil treatment. I think it's amazing. So I'm excited to try this. And I heard from Michelle from Cinnamon Girl Beauty that it smells amazing, so I'm excited about that. All right, this one had a little coming soon sleeve on it. Well, I just went ahead and ripped that because I couldn't get it off. And it's the Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. It says formulated with caffeine, pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. So I'm really getting into more skincare stuff lately, so that's exciting to me. What can I say? The Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I've used the Pharmacy Green product and I like that, the green cleaner. I have this that I like from Pharmacy, the Skin Dew. I really like that. So I have a feeling that I will like this as well. That will be next up in my cleanser for my morning shower. And then, let's see, I have them like in an order. Then I got a brush from Rainforest. It's the number 2 brush. It kind of looks like a really small version of that Nars brush that everybody used to use for blush, but so much softer and it's cut better, I think, than that Nars brush is. So it's a little small for me to use for blush. I would use it for contour. You could certainly use it for highlight, for precise placement of anything. I think under eye would be delightful because it's really soft. So, you know what? I'm just going to stop saying excited about that, but I am. And then here's a product I don't even think I've heard much about this, quite honestly. It's the Hourglass. I obviously have heard of the brand and enjoy the brand, but it's the translucent setting powder, and it just says Veil on it as far as up top there. So I don't think it has a color, and so we'll see. Look how pretty it is on the inside. I mean, what? And then you can, you know, take the little thing off, but I don't know. And look at that. I didn't notice that till right now. That is smart. That has a rubber stopper on it so that the powder doesn't get all over the place. That's genius. Why are they the first people to think of that? That's genius. And then the piece de la resistance. Honestly, I can't. I took French and I can't speak French. The grand finale, the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette. So I went back and forth on this and back and forth on this because a lot of my friends really enjoyed this. But I had gotten some of the bigger Natasha Denona palettes and didn't love them. Like the brown, what is it? Brown, green, brown, whatever, and then purple, blue. I have had both of those and got rid of them. So this one, I have to say, is much lighter than both of those, which is a big deal for me. I like that the colors are like that on there. And it's warm shades, which I really like. There's only a couple of shades that I'm like, I don't know how I'm going to wear those. But we'll see. So yeah, let me do a couple little. Her shadows just feel so good. You guys know that I love her 5 pans. I have several of those, but here's some of the shades. I just grabbed 3 random shades. I mean, her mattes are just. I mean, look at that. This is a matte shade, just like butter. So those are the products that I got in my Lucky Bag XL. I'm pretty sure that that's what it's called. That's what I'm going to title my video. So hopefully that is what it's called. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing those goodies. I will absolutely do it again next year. I love the excitement of not knowing what it's going to be, and I don't know. I just really enjoyed it. I know that the big ones sold out pretty quickly, I think, and so some people were bummed about that, but and not everybody loves what they get in it, and I just think you have to know what it is going into it and enjoy it for what it is. And if it's not your deal, like if that's not something you enjoy, not knowing what you're paying for, then not, you know what I mean, maybe not the best thing for you. I don't know. Anyway, all right. On that note, I will tell you very quickly what is on my face. I had to pull it back out. So I have Lovejoy. I have the L'Oreal Pro Glow Lovejoy Blush by Nars. And then on my eyes, I used shades from the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I used this shade on my lid, right? Yeah, the shade on my lid. This in the crease, and then this to just deepen up things a little bit and beneath my lower lash line. And then for my lips today, I pulled out an oldie but a goodie. This is Maybelline Touch of Spice. And I think that's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. And in everything that you do and say, be beautiful.